Zoho Payroll. Zoho Payroll is a cloud-based tax-compliant payroll software which calculates salaries, taxes, deductions, send payslips every month to the employees, and perform all of the payroll activities. So let's see today in this demo the various features of Zoho Payroll and the modules covered inside that. Once you have logged in to Zoho Payroll, the first screen or the landing page is the dashboard, which is in front of you right now. This dashboard will give you the payroll summary, which consists of the payroll of the consecutive month. So you can see the employee's net pay, payment date, active employees details here, and then you also can see the final settlement payroll if there is a final settlement payroll of any of the exited employee to be done. This payroll is finalized and appearing here when the employee exit process starts in Zoho Payroll. When you scroll down, you have the benefits and deductions tabs, which gives you the EPF, ESI, and TDS details of an employee. So once you click on the view details of EPF, you will see for the various month period of time, you can see the EPF summary. EPF summary consists of the name, PF account number, the employee's contributions and the employee's contribution inside that. And similarly, we can check the employee's ESI details as well as the TDS details itself. So here you can see the payroll cost summary also. Payroll cost summary gives you the payroll breakup of every month, which consists of the net pay, taxes, benefits, if any donations is there, and deductions for each month for a particular year. Now, in the employees tab, it consists of all the active employees. In this tab, you will see all the employees list having their emails, department, and the employee status. If you click on one of the employees here, you can see the overview summary of the employee, which consists of the basic information like name, email ID, work location, designation, departments, etc. And you can see the statutory details here, EPF, whether the employee is covered under the EPF, is the EPF contributions enabled or not, professional tax enabled, LWF enabled or disabled. You can also enable or disable the EPF, ESI, professional tax or labor tax from this section. Personal information will consist of personal information like date of birth, father's name, and email address. This also contains the payment information, which consists of the bank information, account information also. In the salary details tab of an employee, which consists of the annual CTC and the monthly CTC, and all the salary breakup components will be appearing here inside that. So here you can see the employee's salary breakups for the different components of the earning, deductions, benefits, and EPF contribution if applicable. And then in the bottom of the page, you will see the salary revision history, which gives you then an insight of when the salary of the employees has been increased in a different time periods. It will cover the previous CTC and the revised CTC and the effective date. In this page, you can also add the deductions, benefits, and addition contributions is applicable as a special case. Under the investment tab, you can see the investment declarations done by the employee, and you can also check the proof of investments given by the employee so that you can check and approve that proof of investments from here. You can check the different IT declaration and proof of investment for a different period of time from this particular filtration period of the period. In the reimbursement tabs, you can see the employees' reimbursements claimed, unclaimed portion of the reimbursements, and the pending approval which is there. Under the payslips and forms tab, you will see all the payslips which is automatically generated and saved in this section here. We can also see the TDS sheet, which consists of all the TDS tax calculations done under the various sections for the employee salaries. The loan sections will give you any details of the loan which is given to the employee. So the loans depends on the policy of your organizations. If you are giving the loans to the employees, then you will see the loans which are given to the employee and the loan details which has been given to the employees from the organization. The parents section consists of the parents which is due for the consecutive months. So if you click on the parents view details here, you will see the summary of the parent for that particular month. This consists of the payroll cost, total net pay, active employees, payday, and the automated deduction of taxes, benefits, donations, and the total deductions appearing here. This page also gives you the employee summaries, in which you can click on any of the employee salaries, employees details here, and you can see their basic salaries, house rent allowance, and different other salary components from here. This section also allows you to add the LOP days from here in this section. Also allows you to add earnings and deductions from this page for a specific employee. This section also allows you to import various details like LOP details, LOP adjustment days, and many other data like withhold or release of a salary details or expense reimbursed details can be imported for a particular employee. If you have integrated with Zoho People, then you can pull the data from Zoho People from this particular sections, and the LOP data will be fetched from Zoho People to Zoho Payroll. Now, in this section, you can also have the options to review the employees' data from here. So, if you click on any of the particular employee from here, you will see that you can always do certain kind of a changes from here, and also you can see on the three dots where you can click and also do different kind of a other actions like withhold salary, release withheld salary, skip from this payroll, revise the salary, and also you can initiate the exit process of an employee. Once you have finalized the parent, then you can click on the submit and approve parent from here, and you can record the payment of the payroll, and which will automatically generate the payslips which reach the employees portal, and employees can check their payslips from there. So in order to do that, you can click on submit and approve here, and you can click on submit and approve to initiate the parent process and record the payment, and the payslips will be generated and reach the employees portal. If you have integrated Zoho Payroll with Zoho Books, then you can enable these actions. All the journal entries will be posted in Zoho Books. So this is how the parents actions can be done from here. Approvals tab consists of the reimbursements approvals, proof of investment approvals, and the salary revisions approvals. So all the employees' claims reimbursements for a particular period of time will be viewable here. And as an admin of payroll, you can click and approve the reimbursement submitted by the employees. Proof of investment options gives you to check all the proof of investment which is submitted by the employees, and all the proof of investments will be appearing inside in this particular tab. So you can select a particular employee here and check the proof of investment which is submitted by the employee here. Salary revisions tab allows you to send salary revision letter to a specific employee. You can select the employee from here, and you can send the salary revisions letter from this particular tab. Salary revisions of an employee can take place from the employees tab from this particular section, salary details, and you can revise the salaries. When you revise the salary from here, it will appear under approval tabs in the salary revisions, and you can send the salary revisions letter of the employee. Taxes and forms allows you to calculate the tax liabilities every month here, and accordingly you can generate challans and form 24Q. Form 16 allows you to generate Form 16, which consists of the tax calculations, incomes, and deductions of an employee for a specific years. To generate Form 16, Part A of the Form 16 can be downloaded from the Tracers Utility app, and when it is uploaded in Zoho Payroll. Zoho Payroll generates Form 16, which comprises of Part A and Part B both, and the deductor of the Zoho Payroll will digitally sign Form 16 and then publish it for the employees. An employee will receive the Form 16 on their portal and their emails, which they can use to file their returns. The loan section here allows you to create loans and manage loans for the employees. If you have given loans to an employee, then all the loans for the employees will be viewable here, and the status of the loans will also be seen here inside that. So all the loans which are created will be managed in Zoho Payroll, and the EMIs can be deducted from the employee's salary every month. Givings tab is a tab which is used for which allows you to contribute to a social cause. So if you want your employees to contribute for a social cause, then you can initiate a campaign in Zoho Payroll, which will reach the employees, and the employees from their own portals can use that campaign and start contributing the amount from the salaries. Documents tab allows you to add all the documents, payroll related documents inside Zoho Payroll. You can organize the folders, you can create the folders, you can create the employee payroll documents inside that, so that it will be viewable at one place. Zoho Payroll also has a dedicated reports section, which gives you the standard reports from all the modules. Payrolls overview reports are there, statutory reports are there, employee reports will be viewable, deduction reports are available, taxes and forms reports, declaration reports, loan reports, payrolls, journal reports, and activity reports. If you click on any of the reports here, as as you can view that from here, you can customize it as per your own way, in the form of, you can check the locations, you can select the locations for which you want to check this report, you can select the department, designations, and you can run the report here, and you can check you can view the report for any of the selected criterias. You can also export the report in the form of a PDF, XLS report also. So here you have a different reports which gives you a real-time insight of all the payroll activities inside Zoho Payrolls. Settings area will allow you to configure your Zoho Payrolls for configurations of your organization settings and customization of the email templates, adding up your statutory components and salary components, and the email managing your employees portal also. So this is basically how you can use the major the different modules in Zoho Payroll before you start using it for your official purpose. So this is how you can use the Zoho Payroll. Hope you have liked the videos. Thanks for watching.